When should I last some number in the issue that should be to my young gila, children, you know. For generously sponsoring the new
下面我们这个中国有一些地方，也是对中期对这个那现在国外的多个国家，对其咱们对中期的对，我要跟对中国多些别的国家，差不多几个地方都能那边。
The first formation, 34 rules. The opening formation of 34 rules unfolds in perfect harmony, reflecting the precision and rhythm of calisthenics display. This presentation is not merely an exhibition of physical movement, but a celebration of discipline, coordination, and unity in motion. Calisthenics instills in students the values of self-control, teamwork, and dedication, while attuning their minds and bodies to the rhythm of music and the beauty of staccatos. Practice compassion. Unquote. The formation reflects his message that compassion is not weakness, but the greatest form of strength, a force that brings peace within ourselves and harmony to the world.
Dans un camping chirurgien, positif au chirurgien, j'ai pris, dans ces six chiffres, vous avez signé Si ci devi io chiamo di Agio China Baby Number, Gino Championship Jones, Roa China Yang Hui Easy Li Jenny, Jebu Yang de Lupi, Positive
The fifth formation, Long Live His Holiness. His Holiness the Dalai Lama, the global ambassador of peace, the protector of the Tibetan people, and the embodiment of Avalokiteshvara, has devoted his life in unwavering service to others. The advancement of democratic governance within the Tibetan community stands as a testament to his profound leadership and enduring commitment to the welfare of his people. We offer our sincere prayers for his continued long life, not only for the Tibetan people, but for the well-being and spiritual benefit of all humanity. The last formation, unity in diversity. The formation symbolizes His Holiness the Dalai Lama's message on diversity. I quote, "The rich diversity of cultures and religions should help us strengthen the fundamental human rights in all human communities. Underlying the diversity are fundamental human principles that bind all of us as members of the same human family." Unquote.